Welcome to our journey through the history and architecture of Brasilia, the capital city of Brazil. Brasilia is a city known for its modernist architecture and rich history of a planned city that was built in 1960. Today, we will explore the Brazilian Parliament, the Planalto Palace, Brasilia Cathedral, and the Serra Kubitschek City Park. The Brazilian Parliament, also known as the National Congress of Brazil. Our first stop is the Brazilian Parliament, the National Congress of Brazil. It was designed by the famous architect Oscar Niemeyer and inaugurated in 1960. The Parliament consists of two impressive dome structures, the Senate and the Chamber of Deputies, symbolizing the country's legislative power. The Planalto Palace. Next, we visit the Planalto Palace, the official workplace of the President of Brazil. Brasilia Cathedral. Moving on to the Brasilia Cathedral, a striking piece of art designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer. Our final destination is the Serra Kubitschek City Park, a vast and picturesque urban park in Brasilia. In terms of Brazilian economy, nowadays it is a project of the second stock exchange in Rio de Janeiro in addition to B3 that already exists in São Paulo City, and in comparison with China that has three major stock exchanges in Shanghai, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong that play pivotal roles in the country's economic landscape. Now we are going to show something about the market economies of China and European Union in order to keep in mind that both economies are based on business and have large GDP. China's market economy, characterized by private ownership and competition, is supported by the Shanghai Stock Exchange, the world's fourth largest stock market, the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, facilitating the trading of stocks, bonds, and funds. Notably, China also houses the NEEQ, the last small business stock exchange, providing a platform for small and medium-sized enterprises to raise capital and grow within the market economy framework. Meanwhile, in the European Union, the market economy is intertwined with the concept of the welfare state, ensuring social protection and economic stability. The EU boasts three major stock exchanges, including the Euronext, Deutsche Börse, and the Nasdaq Nordic Stock Exchange, ranking among the 20 largest in the world. Combination of market economy in Europe with the concept of welfare state. The combination of a market economy with the concept of the welfare state in Europe exemplifies the balance between economic growth and social welfare, fostering stability and prosperity for its citizens. Need for more stock exchanges in Brazil. Shifting focus to Brazil, there is a growing need for more stock exchanges to support the country's expanding economy, providing platforms for capital mobilization and investment opportunities. Why not to establish a small-cap stock exchange in Santa Catarina state with access to main market B3 in São Paulo when these small companies become larger? Special market in Manaus for carbon credits in the future. Why not? Looking ahead, the establishment in the future of a special market in Manaus to trade and sell carbon credits holds the potential to finance the preservation of the Amazon forest, contributing to environmental sustainability. To establish in the future an eco-brand government certificates in Brazil. Furthermore, the introduction of eco-brand government certificates for companies selling and exporting eco-friendly products made in Brazil can improve the environment and add value to exports. As the dynamics of market economies and stock exchanges continue to evolve across the globe, the integration of sustainable practices and innovative financial mechanisms can pave the way for a more resilient and inclusive global economy. We must also remember the need to expand the current 3 port industry facilities in Brazil to reduce the costs of production from factories.